The story of wheel. Early human beings had to carry loads on their backs. Later, they used sledges to pull heavy loads. It was difficult to pull a sledge with a load. Then, they started pulling sledges with the help of animals. One day, early man saw a round stone rolling down the hill. From this, he got the idea of wheel. The first wheels must have been round logs of wood. Slowly, he improved the round log. He cut a round slice from a log of wood and made a hole in its center. Thus, the first wheel was invented. It made man's life easy. Wheels were put to various uses. Pots were made on the potter's wheel. The wheel laid the foundation of machine age. Slowly, man developed many new vehicles: cycle, cycle rickshaw, car, bus, truck, etc. All these vehicles move on wheels. They use muscular energy, petrol, diesel or CNG to run on the roads. The wheel, which was invented thousands of years ago, has made our life easy. Now, we can move over long distances with speed and in a very short time. Do you know? Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport.